once again hanging out after hours, or I guess before hours, in the lounge because it is another unboxing. Oh my gosh, what do we have today? Well, I happen to have this right here, and I'm gonna switch to here, and let's see if we can open this to find out what's inside. Oh man, this is interesting tape. It doesn't cut through. Either that or I need to get a sharper X-Acto blade. What's in the box? What's in it? It's also hard to do one-handed, but I think we're almost there. I think we can get this open. All right, let's see here. Almost. There we go. There we go. This side I knew was a little funky. I'm still not sure I understand the concept with these. I guess the unboxing is cool, but then like this stuff, like struggling with tape and an X-Acto blade. Is this really what you signed up for on YouTube? Okay, here we go. What is in the box? Oh my gosh. What is this? What? Oh, these must just be freebies? This is, I don't even, what does that say? I don't know. These must be freebies. Okay. What is in the box? Wow. Lochan Enamel. Let's take a look at these. Oh my gosh. These look so wild. Here, I'm going to set this down because I am one-handed. I am not very efficient. Let's see. Put this here, put this here. Let's take a look. Wow. Oh, that is a beaut. That looks awesome. That looks wild. And let's take a look next to Mr. Lochan Enamel himself. Oh, I got it upside down. The pin's in upside down. I think that's, I don't think they're all that way because they sent me a photo and they were the right side up, but someone put this in upside down. Are they all like that? Oh my gosh, this bag, they're all upside down. How did they do that? All right, well, in the photos, they were all right side up, but these are upside down. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I'm going to have to flip these all the right way, but anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing of the Lochan Enamel. I guess we should test drive this, right, to make sure it glows in the dark. I don't know if it'll be able to. Let me set this down here. Let's go in the dark and see if it already works. I don't know if it will, because it needs some sunlight first, right? Let's take a look. Let's go over here. And, all right. Oh, it doesn't glow in the dark yet. Okay, so it needs some sunlight. No, I'm in the dark. You can see other boxes of stuff here coming to you soon. Guess what else is coming to you soon? Awesome. Can't wait. All right, thank you guys.